I'm glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a super profitable Amazon KDP keyword that has to do with the coloring book niche. Now, this keyword is absolutely amazing. It's super easy to create the interior and the cover for this keyword, and I highly recommend you take advantage of the niche and start creating coloring books for this wonderful niche as well. Now, just before we get started, if you're new here, I'm Nora. Welcome to the channel, and I do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are being carefully updated and researched to help you save the time and the effort so you can pay more attention in creating your interior and cover rather than researching profitable keywords. Also, I will be sharing with you tips and strategies as well as tutorials on making money online, what has personally been working for me, tried and tested strategies, and there will be a 30-day free trial available for you, linked in the description box below, for Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to KDP interiors, templates that are ready-made for commercial use, as well as KDP keywords and fonts and graphics to use in both your cover and your interior. Take advantage of a 30-day free trial. You can cancel before the 30 days is up if you find that Creative Fabrica is not for you and you don't want to continue, and there will be no cost associated with cancellation. Now, with that being said, let us dive straight to the keyword for the day, and our keyword for the day is adult coloring books for women. Beach. It is an amazing keyword. It fits all the profitability metrics. Now, let's break down the results. First of all, we have a strong and solid keyword niche score by self-publishing Titan's Chrome extension of 66. Green light, ready to go. Also, the total results are under 1,000, which is also another great indicator, and it is currently totaling 929. Also, the average bestseller rank is under 400,000, which is ideal, and it's sitting at an average of 377,934. Average reviews are 749. Average price is $8.37. My apologies. I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 4 given by Amazon Scout Pro because it contradicts and goes against the data that we have right over here. Total results under 1,000. Bestseller rank within the acceptable range. Average number of reviews, we're all happy with that. The average price is also what is considered to be average, and it will also result us in having a good average royalty and a really good solid keyword niche score. Also, when you want to look at a keyword, apart from all this beautiful juicy data that we have right here, we want to aim to find 2 to 3 books on the first page with a bestseller rank under 100,000. Now, let's go down. We want to avoid the books that are sponsored. Any book that has this kind of label, this is a sponsored post, or this one, for example, on top of the title, means that there are currently ads running. So the ads in this case will affect the results. So please avoid, in this case, the top 2. Next, we have a book that's not sponsored. It is sitting at 11,899 as the best seller rank, 11,898. There are no ads running, and that is also a great indicator. Next up, we have another book under this keyword for the first page, and it's sitting also under 100,000 as the bestseller, sitting at 39,594, and it is selling approximately 150 copies on a monthly basis, generating around $217. Next up, we have another lovely book, 936 as the bestseller rank. Now, this is selling a massive 2,250 copies on a monthly basis, and also generating $5,985 monthly on an approximate as well. So we've filled the requirement of 3 or more books. Next, we have 4 books. Number 4 at a bestseller rank of 10,827, selling around 360 copies per month, generating $462 on a monthly basis. Next up, we have 20,117 is the bestseller as well, and we have 56,711. So just like that, as you can see, more than halfway through the page, we've come across 6 or 7 books with a bestseller rank of under 100,000. Now, you can go head over to Creative Fabrica and get interiors for this lovely beach coloring book interiors as well. You could also step it up and add in some affirmations to the coloring pages, add in anything that women are really interested in. So focus on florals, focus on sea animals as well that are associated with the beach. Try to spice it up. Have a look at interiors of books that are already selling. For example, the top 2 or the top 3 with a bestseller rank of under 100,000. Have a look at the interiors, have a look at the covers as well. Have a look at the categories to see what are ideally are the categories that you should be aiming to get your books ranked in as well. I wish you all the best. Take advantage of this lovely opportunity. Let me know in the comment section what kind of books, what kind of videos, my apologies, you're interested in seeing. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.